Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to be swatching some perfect Valentine's Day shades from Salon Perfect. Now all of these colors are exclusively available at Walmart, including this brand new shade from Salon Perfect called Shimmer Down, which is this gorgeous holographic sparkly pink glitter. So if you're interested in seeing a bunch of Valentine's Day shades swatched and some nail art ideas at the end of this video, then just keep on watching. First up is this really pretty sheer shimmery shade that goes from pink to almost like a cotton candy blue, which is super pretty. So shown here is 2 coats, and then I'm also showing this one over under the Tuscan Sun, which is another Salon Perfect shade, so just to give you some options of how gorgeous this one is. This one is called Good Vibes Only, and this is a pale pink shade that reminds me of cotton candy, and is perfect for Valentine's Day and for all you pink lovers. This one is Shimmer Down, that gorgeous pink holographic glitter that I was talking about before. This is brand new to the Salon Perfect line, and it's perfect for Valentine's Day and honestly all year round because this one is so pretty. This is a fiery red shimmer. I love this one for Valentine's Day as well as it would be perfect for Christmas and anytime you want to wear red. It's got a beautiful shimmer to it. Salsa Dance is a perfectly opaque in 1 coat red shade. It's bright, it's beautiful, and perfectly opaque, like I said. Amazing. Here's Under the Tuscan Sun, and this is like a dusty rose pink shade. This one had a little bit of a thinner formula, but it was perfectly opaque in 2 coats and super, super gorgeous. Pillow Talk is a sheer creamy white shade that you could totally build up to be opaque, or you could leave it as 1 or 2 coats. It usually evens out really nicely for a really nice natural look. And last but not least is Tropicool Punch, and this is a really bright neon shade that again does not require a white base for it to be super bright and neon. So those were all of the Valentine's Day shades, and now moving into nail art, I am first painting a thin layer of Pillow Talk, which is that sheer white shade, and then I'm taking a toothpick with Salsa Dance and He's With Me, and I'm doing tiny little hearts in all different directions. You want some, going forward, backward, sideways, all kinds of different directions. You really want a nice variety. And this is just the first layer because this is actually going to be a jelly sandwich manicure. So make sure that you kind of sparsely place hearts in each layer so that way you can build it up and layer hearts on top so there'd be more space. And I know that kind of doesn't make any sense right now, but once your heart's dry, for the jelly sandwich you're going to paint another layer of that Pillow Talk, and then this is where you're going to do more of those hearts, so that's why you kind of want them to be spaced out more so you have a lot of layer and dimension to this nail art. And then I'm putting on another layer of that Pillow Talk, and this is the last layer. I'm just putting on a few more hearts so that there are 3 different layers of hearts, and I think this look is really, really cool, very dimensional, and really pretty easy to do. For the second design, I am doing a basic glitter gradient, so I'm taking that Shimmer Down holographic pink shade, and on a tip of a makeup sponge, I am putting that on there to let the glitter base soak up a little bit, and then I am sponging the glitter onto 2 coats of Good Vibes Only, and then I am taking the brush of Shimmer Down and dragging some of the glitter down to really add to the gradient and make it look gorgeous. And then of course, apply top coat for a nice shiny effect, and there you have it. So that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed the swatches of these Valentine's Day shades, as well as the fun nail art at the end. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. And let me know what your favorite shade was in the comments below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.